We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT prompts for photo editing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you can start a new chat session. Now, here's where the magic happens. You need to frame your prompts clearly. For example, if you're looking to enhance a photo, you might type something like, "Suggest some creative ways to enhance the lighting and colors for a landscape photo." ChatGPT will then provide you with a list of suggestions. You can take these ideas and apply them in your preferred photo editing software. If you're working on Photoshop, open the image you want to edit. Then, go to the Adjustments panel and explore options like brightness, contrast, and color balance based on ChatGPT's suggestions. For more advanced edits, you might want to ask ChatGPT for specific techniques, like how to create a vignette effect or add a soft focus. Another tip is to use the tool for creative inspiration. Ask for ideas on how to transform a photo into a different style, like vintage or modern. Once you've applied the techniques, review the changes on your image. You can always return to ChatGPT for additional advice if needed. Remember to save your edited photo to ensure you don't lose your hard work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.